YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to reseat a basin tap. First of all, you want to undo this screw to take off the head of the basin tap, and then with this type of tap it has this collar which lifts up. You want to get some grips around this threaded bit I'm showing you here to untighten it from the body. Unspin that and that will reveal the washer beneath. As you can see, this washer is not in a good way. After that, you want to check the body of the tap, make sure there's a nice smooth surface. As you can see, this needs a bit of a reseat. There's a bit of a divot that I can feel with my finger. First of all, we're going to change this washer. So we want to get rid of this little nut. To do this, we're going to grab some grips and a adjustable spanner and undo that, like shown. With that removed, you want to line up your washers with a new washer from your washer box to see what washer you need. So with the new washer found, I'm going to place that on the old handle and tighten it on, making sure I put the little 10mm nut back to secure the washer in place. You don't want to go too mad with tightening this up, just tight enough to clamp the washer down so it doesn't move. So with that on there, we now need to move on to reseating the tap, ready for the new washer. To do that, I'll get my reseating tool, place it inside the tap and tighten on. You want to grind this until you get a smooth surface. So just keep working that reseating tool, tightening it as you go until you get a nice smooth surface on the inside. Once you've got your smooth surface on the inside, you want to make sure you rinse it off and get rid of all this dirt and shavings from the tap. As you can see, there's plenty of debris. You want to wash all this off. There you go, all that dirt, you want to get rid of that before you put the new washer in there. So with our smooth surface in our tap, we can now insert the new washer and handle back into the tap. To do that, start winding it in, and then you want to make sure the tap's all the way undone before tightening it up fully onto the tap. Grab your grips and tighten it up. With everything nice and tight, you can now go and turn the water back on and test your tap. Make sure we tidy up as we go, get rid of all them metal shavings because they can be quite sharp. So with this type of system, it wasn't a combi boiler which was turned off from a lever valve. So if we turn that back on, I can now walk back to the tap, make sure it's not dripping and all is working. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.